Ay, nandito na sila guys, yung mga removalist people. Oh no, they are camping. Camping's mode. It's so cute. Okay, feeling stressed pero hindi ako magpapa-apekto, no? I tried to do my office at ito na siya. Oh, at least it's clean na. But this bookshelf supposed to be for the books. I'm gonna unbox these two, and this will be part of my new kitchen. Okay, this is hubby's side. Ito naman yung side ko. Hey guys! This is our last day here. Yehoo! Kasi excited kaming makalipat na. Kasi tapos na yung bahay talaga at ready na kami for moving. Ito na lang yung mga naiiwan dito. Ayan. Kasi unti-unti kaming nag-move out na. Pero yung big move talaga is Sunday tomorrow. It's Saturday today obviously and it's drizzling at the moment. Totoo na talaga to guys. This is our last day here. Wala nang mga connection tong mga computer namin. Hey Jace, come on. Get up. This is the room. Ayaw talaga niya gumising. Ito pala yung room. Hello. We will throw this bed away kasi this has been with us for 15 years. Wala nang mga... Ito na lang naiwan kasi upload ko po tong aking video. And then I'm gonna also pack them up, the clothes. We have been in this house for good amount of more than 9 months. And it's time to go. Bye-bye, house. So ito na talaga. This is our last day here. I'm gonna pack up my computer soon, work computer. So here's my room guys. Ito na lang naiwan. Kasi the kids bedrooms are done. So yung sa akin na lang. At wala na dito yung aking mga clothes. Except for this. Naiwan ko talaga siya kasi wala na akong plastic bags. It's 3 o'clock now and ito na lang naiwan yung room ko. After this, I'm going to the new house. Me and Jace. So this is my main bedroom and these are my clothes. Some of them. And I will put them here. And hubby's too here. So I've cleaned already and ilalagay ko na to dito. Alright, let's do it. This is our last trip for today. Ito yung last plant ko na nadala. Nandito ako guys kasi I'm so squashed now. This is the last trip tonight and tomorrow yung proper na removalist punta. Okay, let's go. It's 10 o'clock. Nandito na ako sa bahay and look at the mess. I don't know how long will I stay up bago ako makatulog kasi for now I'm making Jay's food. So this is our first use of the stove. Tingnan nyo. So ito yung ginawa ko for Jay's kasi hindi yan kumain ng maayos. So this is his pasta and I'll make cucumber. He'll eat soon. Guys, ito na yung room ko. And it's almost 2 a.m. And buti na lang na assemble ng brother-in-law ko yung dresser ko at saka yung lowboy. And yung bed, hubby assembled it. So ito yung bed, but I couldn't put a new sheets kasi mag 2 AM na, matulog na ako talaga. Ayoko na. I'll just wash my face and have a quick shower. Pero hindi ko na yun palitan. Okay, good night. Tomorrow again. Good morning, guys. It's our first morning here. And ito lang yung mirror ko dito sa aking bedroom. And ayan, ano pa siya, magulo. And si hubby hindi natulog dito kasi nandun siya sa kabila, sa old rental house. And look at this morning. Look at the view. Thank you, Lord. Si hubby nandun siya natulog kasi nag-assist siya sa removal list people. Nandoon na daw. Papunta na rin sila dito in a while. You know, I was so surprised when I woke up at the trees, the birds are, I can see them now. Straight away from the bed. Ayan, oh. Ay, wala na sila. Kanina yan, madami. Magtanim pala ako dyan. I'll have to go down. Let's see what are the boys doing. They are sleeping together sa lounge. Kasi hindi pa gawa yung kanilang mga beds. Yung kay Jace, gawa na. Kasi bago naman yung kay Jace. Yan yung oldest room. Oldest boy ko. Na room, ito yung second. Ito yung kay Jace. So, tapos na yung sa kanya. Ito yung sa guest. Nandito pala yung mga gamit ko. Kasi yan yung old drawer ko eh. Yung sinuot ko is the same from yesterday. Kasi hindi ko pa alam saan yung... Oh no, they are camping. Camping's mode. It's so cute. Still eh. Let me see. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, love you all. And ito yung computer room. Grabe. It's 12 PM na, guys. It's lunchtime, pero wala pa kaming lunch. Kasi, if you can see, what a mess. Buti na lang dinalahan ako ng aking niece ng red pink. Oh, yun yung sister ko. Tsaka yung niece ko doon. Doon siya. Ay, nandito na sila, guys, yung mga removalist people. Dito yung cross trainer ko, yun yung pinagtalunan namin saan yan ilagay. And look at that. Yan na sila. Oh, there's another mattress. It's gabi na naman, so, but this is the last furniture to be set up. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and magulo pa rin ang bahay. Hindi ko alam kailan ito matapos. Pero it's progressing. In yung hallway, which is a bit cleaner from here. Ito rin yung kitchen. Anyway, I'll show you the lounge room. Ayan. The boxes for this cabinet, these cabinets. Yung entertainment unit na set up na. But it's still not done. Camping dining. Di pa rin. I still have to clean up. But we're getting there. And malapit naman, ayan, at least na-sort out ko to. But I have to rearrange all these here. Yung pantry naman, oh, medyo okay na. Pero meron pa rin konti. Pero using ko yan dyan. And that's the laundry. And the second story there, the second floor, it's a different story. Hindi pa okay. Especially my room kasi inuna ko yung mga boys ko. Ito yung computer room ni hubby. At least okay na yung aking room. My office. O diba? But this bookshelf supposed to be for the books. Pero Di pa dumating yung plant stand ko. I'm gonna put it here. Nag-order ako in catch.com.au pero di pa siya dumating na ako. I have to work pa. Okay, feeling stress pero hindi ako magpapa-apekto, no? Okay lang, kahit dahan-dahan pero okay na. We still don't have a window covering. Kaya ang init-init talaga, guys. I am wearing double hats. Kung mag-work ako kasi di ko ma-take yung face in my sun. Sorry. Yung sun in my face. Temporary lang to. Hopefully si Habi maka-buy na ng curtain rods. Hey guys, I'm gonna unbox these two and this will be part of my new kitchen. So if you can see, it's from Smeg but with collaboration with Dolce & Gabbana, and this is pure Smeg. So let's check it out. What could it be? Yes guys, now I have the green kettle and then the Dolce & Gabbana X. I'm gonna put it now here. The others make lights na sila dyan. And this one too. Okay, so I've shopped in Kmart guys para sa aming organization. Oh, that's so much. Wow. What do we have here? Oh, let's see. What's this? Ouch. Open it. Okay, so more organization. And this is for the kitchen. This one. What's that one? Show me, please. Oh, this is for my... I'm gonna put in the drawer. And now this one, I'm gonna put hats here. Ito, lagyan namin sa hats. Ano pa? Ay! You see, Jace, I bought you your crescent. Lampshade. What's that? Be careful. So this is my lamp. Oh, it's small. So this is the globe. Okay. Ito yung crescent niya. Crescent lamp. Bumili din ako ng mga tea towels. And, okay. More. For the dish rack. So, for the dishwasher. Manual dishwasher. What's that one? Ah, the tray. Oh, nice. I like this one. It's so heavy. Dito ko ilagay yung cups. When I'm serving coffee, tea.
Why did you buy the letter M for?
Yeah. M. Yeah, M with the lights. Yeah. Ito na yung... What's that one? Oh, yeah, festive lights and Christmas lights. Okay, and then the... Sorry. This one is for the dish rack. Para matuyo naman. Nag-work pa ako. So, kaya si Jace yung nag-open, nag-unbox. Alright. Hey guys, I'm in my room at hindi pa tapos talaga. Ayan. I bought these organizers here kasi wala na akong maglagyan. Nandito yung aking walk-in, kulang siya. Kasi kay hubby nandyan din. So I have somewhere to put my folded clothes. Pati kay hubby na rin. And inassemble to ng aking nephew. So I have to peel this. So guys, I'm gonna put hubby's shirts at the bottom and his shorts, and the rest is mine. So I'm gonna get this apart. Take it off again. It feels good. Look at now, guys. Linis na siya. It's ready. I'm gonna put hubby's clothes now. His shorts and pants at the bottom. Okay, this is hubby's side. Ito naman yung side ko. Tapos na yung mga pants niya. Sa shirts na naman tayo.